In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an audio file for Microsoft PowerPoint. First, let's make sure we have everything we need set up and ready to go. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. This is where the magic happens. Once you have PowerPoint open, you have the choice to either dive into an existing presentation or start fresh with a new one. It's important to have all your visuals, like photos, tables, and other content, in place before you begin recording, as knowing exactly what you're talking about during your narration will make everything flow much smoother. Now, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. You're going to want to click on the Insert tab. This is the hub for bringing new elements into your presentation, including the audio we'll be working with today. With the Insert tab open, look for the Audio button. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu where you'll see an option that says Record Audio. That's the ticket. Select Record Audio to open the recording interface. When the Record Sound dialog box appears, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your audio file. It's a good idea to label it something descriptive so you can easily identify it later on, especially if you plan on recording multiple audio clips. Once you've named your file, take a moment to gather your thoughts, because the next step is to click the red Record button to begin capturing your voice. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and positioned for the best audio quality. As you narrate, aim to speak clearly and confidently to ensure your message is well received. Once you've finished recording your narrative, click the Stop button. It's straightforward and located right next to the Record button, acting like its trusty sidekick. Now comes the moment of truth. Click the Play button to listen to your recording. This is your chance to hear how your narration sounds. If it meets your expectations and everything is in place, click OK to add the audio to your slide. If you feel something needs changing, you can always go back and re-record until you're satisfied. After you've clicked OK, you'll notice a small audio icon materializes on your slide. This icon represents your freshly recorded audio file. You can click and drag it to any position on the slide where it works best for your presentation's layout and design. And there you have it. You've successfully added personalized audio to your PowerPoint presentation. Feel free to move on to different slides to impart additional audio narration as needed, enhancing the overall impact and professionalism of your presentation. Happy presenting!